I'm Greg. Thank you, Lucky and Blessed, for having me and Exelon here and some BG&E folks. What a wonderful day we had. A great event.
Get up here, get anything quick. That's right.
Yes, absolutely. Did you guys have fun? Yeah. Would you guys come back?
Big one, man. Whoa, look at the gun on that thing.
James got a touch too. There we go. You guys having fun today?
Oh, yeah.
You like fishing today?
Oh, yeah.
The program just gonna happen. All right, here comes the lunch. What kind of bird is this? Is this a hawk or? Snakes.
So they eat really has tiny little toes. For the most part, he eats nuts and seeds. So basically,
when they're not supposed to be here. And then they just had babies and babies and babies. Now we have babies.
Wow.
Yeah.